Choose the right property. When it comes to house flipping, the property you choose can make or break your project. You're not just buying a house, you're investing in your future profits. Picking the right property means looking past the surface and focusing on its potential. Sure, the outside might look a little run down, but that's exactly what you're looking for. A house with solid bones that just needs some TLC to shine. Start by focusing on location. We've all heard the phrase location, 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 and for good reason. A great location is one of the biggest factors that determines a home's resale value. Look for neighborhoods that are on the rise, places where property values are increasing but haven't skyrocketed yet. Think of areas with good schools, low crime rates, and plenty of amenities. You want a property that appeals to future buyers, so put yourself in their shoes. Next, evaluate the structure of the house. You want a home that needs cosmetic updates, not a complete overhaul. Fixing things like paint, flooring, or fixtures is relatively inexpensive compared to dealing with major issues like foundation problems, outdated plumbing, or a leaky roof. Always bring a trusted inspector or contractor along to spot red flags that you might miss. Their expertise could save you from costly surprises down the line. Finally, don't forget to check the numbers. Before committing, calculate the after-repair value, ARV, to ensure there's enough room for profit after renovation costs. A general rule of thumb is the 70% rule. Only invest if the total cost of the property and repairs is 70% or less of the ARV. When you choose wisely, you're setting yourself up for a smooth, profitable flip. It's all about finding that hidden gem and knowing how to turn it into a masterpiece.